Good morning, students. Welcome to the Greenfield School and College online classes. Today, I'm gonna discuss the important questions, CQ questions and MCQ questions of Chapter 8, Management of Business Organization. This is from the different. This is from different boards and schools, which is very much popular or very much common questions appeared in the exam. So that's why I thought it will be helpful for you to understand better the chapter. So let's continue the class, and please start the class with the book. That will help you to understand. Chapter 8, Management of Business Organization. First CQ question. Mr. Asad is an owner of leather bag industry at Hazaribagh, Dhaka. He makes the target rates of production by discussing with employees. There is less production than target production rate for the last few months. As a result, Mr. Asad has taken decision to keep his employees under pressure. That means here we can see different type of leadership. Already we just studied the chapter 8, the different type of leadership, 4 type of leaderships. So specifically or clearly you can see that in this theme there are 2 types of leadership just stated. First one is democratic leadership, because he is discussing with employees to make any decision, but when it comes to the achievement of the organization, that means here he faces some loss. That's why Mr. Asad has taken decision to keep his employees under pressure. That means when in which leadership just included the creating pressure on employees. That means in which leader creates pressure on employees. That means that is the autocratic leadership. So there are clearly stated 2 types of leadership. First one is the democratic leadership, and last one is autocratic leadership. Then number 1, what is business finance? Business finance, we know that means it is the accumulation of capital for running the business, starting the business and running the business. So that is called business finance, or you can say business finance is there is a clear definition, there is a specific definition of business finance. Business finance is not only the collection of capital but also the utilization of those capital properly is also included in the business finance. Then how does the responsibility make a leader successful? Obviously responsibility make a leader successful, because when a leader feels about the responsibility, when a leader very much you can say very much very much strong enough to deal with the responsibilities, so that will be obviously helpful for leader to become a successful leader, because leader must be responsible. Leader should feel about the responsibility. Leader should fulfill the duties, all the duties and responsibilities. Otherwise he or she cannot be the leader. So how does the responsibility make a leader successful? That means when a leader is responsible, when a leader takes responsibilities of employees, he can do the all the functions of the organizations with the responsibilities. So that will obviously help the leader to become successful. So that's why you can say that the responsibilities makes a leader successful. When when some responsibilities just a leader take to become a leader, or to be a successful leader, responsibility must should be taken, responsibility should be taken, and also the duties and responsibilities should be fulfilled by the leader. Okay, so that is the responsibility make a leader successful. Sense of responsibility, or you can say feelings about the responsibility, it will obviously give a leader courage to do the things, to do the right things. So that's why obviously to handle the employees properly, to handle different type of different departments of the organization, different peoples of the organization. So responsibility obviously make a leader successful. Number C, what type of leadership has Mr. Asad conducted at the starting of the business? That means at first point or starting point, the leadership was democratic leadership. Then you will write down like that, that Mr. Asad has conducted the democratic leadership at the starting of the business. Then you will write down the characteristics of democratic leadership. You will find it in the chart of your book. So write down the common characteristic, basic characteristics of the democratic leadership, and then you will just relate it with the STEM. Do you get it? That means in first line you will state the solid answer, that is Mr. Asad has conducted democratic leadership at the starting point of the business. Then you will write down what is democratic leadership, what are the features of democratic leadership, you will write down after that. Then you will relate it with the STEM. That we can see that in the STEM, Mr. Asad is the owner of the bag industry. He makes the target rates of production by discussing with employees. So we can clearly say that it is the democratic leadership when a leader discuss with employees about the decision, about different decisions. So that is democratic leadership. What will be the influence of the decision taken by Mr. Asad at the end? What will be the influence? At last point, Mr. Asad has taken decision to keep his employees under pressure. That means he wants to practice the autocratic leadership, but autocratic leadership is a very much negative way to encourage people, or very much negative way for employees, because autocratic leadership does not bring any good result, or does not bring any it is not a good decision to practice the autocratic leadership, because employees will feel pressured, and they will be very much angry. They do not they do not want to do any job perfectly in the organization, and they feel very much what you say, they will very much suffocated in the organization. So in this situation you cannot bring the good result from the employees by practicing the autocratic leadership. So what will be the influence of the decision taken by Mr. Asad at the end? That means you have to write down like that: Mr. Asad takes decision to practice the autocratic leadership, but autocratic leadership has some features. Then you will state the characteristics or features of the autocratic leadership which is mentioned in your book. Then you will say that it doesn't bring any good result, so employees will be very much angry, employees will be very much suffocated. So that's why maybe it doesn't bring the good result for the organization, it won't bring the good result for the organization. So maybe it will be the negative effect on, it just brings the negative effect on the organization. So that is the answer. Then Mr. Robiul is a manager of a production company. He does not behave well with his employees. He does not want to pay fair wage to his employees. As a result, the employees do not get any interest in their work, and conflict arises between owners and employees. For this reason, the production of the company is decreasing and the company faces losses day by day. Despite the situation, Robiul wants to stick with his decision. That means he is a production company manager. He does not behave well with his employees, want to pay fair wage. That means this is clearly autocratic leadership. The employees also do not get any interest to do any work, and also conflict arises. For this reason, the production of the company is decreasing. That means production kharab hoye jacche, but still Robiul does not want to take any change with his decision. Then what is planning? Planning, planning means it is the advanced thinking about the future. What do you mean by controlling? Controlling is the process where you can find out that all the activities are done according to the plan or not, and also you can find out the errors, and solving those errors is the main issues of the controlling. You will find it in the book, controlling portion of the functions of management. And number C, what inconsistency do you see in the management of Robiul? What inconsistency? That means here we can see that Robiul does not practice any good leadership, because he is practicing the autocratic leadership, and there is no there is very much negative side, there is very much negative impact on the employees and on the environment of the organization. So we can see that it is wrong for the employees, and also the result of the organization, the production of the company is also decreasing because of practicing the autocratic leadership. So what inconsistency do you see in the management of Robiul? You will write down the autocratic leadership. About the autocratic leadership, there we can see that Robiul is practicing autocratic leadership. Then you will define autocratic leadership and give the characteristics, some basic characteristics, and you will then relate it with the STEM and say that because of practicing autocratic leadership, the production is decreasing and also faces losses day by day. So it brings a negative result on the organization and as well as the employees. So that is the answer. Number 3, Shohid. Number D, is motivation important in the organizational development of the company in which Robiul works as a manager? Explain with your opinion. Obviously, motivation is very much important, very much important, because Robiul is practicing autocratic leadership. That means he cannot direct the employees properly. He cannot direct the employees properly. That's why practicing autocratic leadership, and that's why the result, the conflict is arising. The production is production is decreasing, and organizations just facing losses. So that's why we need I think Robiul needs to practice motivational activities, because motivation is very much important. Without motivation, this situation cannot be changed. And if Robiul practice motivation or motivational activities to employees, then it will help to bring the perfect result or successful result for the organization. And first of all, you have to write down yes, motivation. Explain with your own opinion. Your opinion is necessary. Then you have to write down that I think motivation is very much important for the organization where Robiul is working as a manager. Then you will write down the motivation definition of motivation and explain it, and then relate it to the STEM. So this is the sequence, or this is the system of the writing the answer. Number 3, Shohid Islam is a managing director of an organization. He gives very little time in his business, and he wants to hand over all responsibilities to employees. For that reason, the organization faces a great loss. Workers do not work attentively to recover this situation. He changes his leadership and discusses with others to continue his business. That means Shohid Islam is a managing MD. He gives very little time in business, and he wants to hand over all responsibility to employees. For that reason, the organization faces a great loss. Workers don't work attentively to recover this situation. He changes his leadership and discusses with others to continue his business. That means at first he was practicing the laissez-faire leadership, and after that, when the organization facing loss, then he wants to change the situation. He wants to change the leadership style, and it was the democratic leadership. Number A, what is the elaborated form of BDBL, Bangladesh Development Bank Limited? What are the sources of business finance? It is clearly mentioned in your book. What kind of leadership is Shohid going to follow, and why? What kind of leadership is Shohid going to follow, and why? That means we can say the Shohid is going to follow the democratic leadership. The answer will be to recover this situation. You can get the answer from these last 2 lines. What kind of leadership is Shohid going to follow? মানে সে কি করতে চাচ্ছে লাস্টে গিয়ে, বা কোন লিডারশিপটা ফলো করতে চাচ্ছে, Shohid wants to follow the democratic leadership. And why? Because democratic leadership is very much positive, brings positive environment, positive result for the organization. In here leader just consults with the employees, leaders take decision from the employees, leaders do not take make any pressure on the employees, and also accountability, leaders have the accountability to the employees. You just mention the common features, basic features of the democratic leadership. And last of all, you will write down because of these features, or because of these issues of democratic leadership, Shohid wants to follow the democratic leadership, and it will obviously bring the good result for the organization, for his organization. Number D, through which qualities can Shohid be a good leader and bring success for his business? In this in this question, you just write down the qualities of ideal leader. It is mentioned in your book, so from that just pick up some points and write down here. Through which qualities, you just mention some qualities of an ideal leader, then you will say that these qualities can make Shohid a good leader and also bring success for the organization or his business. Here are some 2-mark question or short question. You can say, what is management? Describe the concept of organizing. What is motivation? Right planning makes it easier to achieve the goals. Explain. Obviously, right planning makes it easier to achieve the goals, because when you plan something, when you thinking about the future in advance, that means it will help you to get the favorable situation in future. You can run the business successfully, properly. So that's why right planning makes it easier to achieve the goal. When you presume, when you think about in advance about the future condition, probable situations of the organization or probable problems of the organization, then it will help you to bring the solution easily. That's why right planning makes it easier to achieve the goals. Why management is called as a continuous process? Obviously, management is called continuous process, is a continuous process, because from the beginning of the business to till the dissolution of the business, management process must be practiced, and management is necessary for every part of the organization and every step of the organization. That's why it is a continuous process, because till the existence of the business, management is must, management should be practiced. So that's why management is continuous process. Now, here are another CQ questions, some CQ questions. First one I just discussed it. Number 2, the manager of Shatota company, Mr. Mizan, manages the employees based on personal opinion. As a result, the enthusiasm for the work of the workers is reduced. Sometimes the workers are angry. As a result, the business faces loss. He wants to get out of this situation. So that means it is here it is practicing, Mizan is practicing the autocratic leadership. What is known as the collection of capital? Collection of capital is known as finance. What does motivation mean? You will find it in your book. What kind of leadership has been practiced by Mr. Mizan? Mr. Mizan is practicing the autocratic leadership. Then you will like other questions, you will write down the answer, and mention the characteristics. You will write down the characteristics, then just finish it and relate it with the STEM. What does Mizan need to do be success as a manager? As a manager, Mizan should practice the democratic leadership. He should motivate the employees so that employees can bring good result for the organization. Employees feel free to do any work. Employees feel encouraged. Employees feel comfortable for the to the organization. So Mizan has to play a vital role to encourage the employees of the organization, and it will be possible by practicing the democratic leadership. Then number 3, Mr. Ali sells handmade clothes at various shopping malls in Kustia. He starts his selling activities by setting up the target at the beginning of the year. He decides in advance regarding how many products in which shop he has to send, and when and by whom he has to send, etc. He needs efficient workers in different times to develop his business. That means here at first Mr. Ali is doing the planning function of the management. Then last one is he needs efficient worker. That means he should also manage the staff, or he should do the staffing function of the management. Now number A, what is the main source of business finance? Main source of business finance is commercial bank. What does gender awareness means? You will find it in the qualities of ideal leaders, where it is clearly mentioned there. Then which function of management did Mr. Ali perform at the beginning? At beginning Mr. Ali performed planning of the management, planning function of the management. Then you will write down the definition of the planning and give some explanation and just related to the STEM, that we can see Mr. Ali sells handmade clothes, various shopping malls. He starts selling activities by setting up the target at the beginning of the year, and he decides in advance regarding how many products in which shop he has to send and when and by whom he has to send it, etc. That's why we can clearly say that Mr. Ali performing the planning function at the beginning. Then which function of management can play a role for development of Mr. Ali's business? The answer will be staffing. Which function of management? The staffing can play the role for development of Mr. Ali's business, because you have to write down like that. To run a business properly, to run a business successfully, perfectly, obviously there will be staff. Good staff is a must. Good staff is must. And by staffing function, by doing the staffing function, Mr. Ali can recruit the good some good qualities workers, and that will help you to become successful. Then you will mention you will explain the staffing part and just related to the STEM. So just give your opinion. What do you say? What do you think? Just give your opinion. But the answer is the staffing. Which function of management can play a role? It is the staffing. Number 4, Mr. Johnny is the chief executive of an organization. He looks at the default plan and corrects the error. As a result, it is easy to implement all the plans of the organization. He makes sure that the right thing is done at the right time. That means Mr. Johnny is practicing controlling function of the organization, because he looks at the default plan and also find out errors and solve it and correct the errors. Number A, how many types of leadership are there? There are 4 types of leadership. Write about the features of management. It is clearly mentioned in your book chapter. What is the name of the management function did Mr. Johnny perform? Obviously it is controlling the management function. Mr. Johnny performing the controlling function of the management. Then you will explain the controlling from your book or from your chapter, and just related to the STEM. Evaluate the role of a manager for the success of business. Obviously a manager plays a vital role for the success of a business, because then you will write down the point. Just write this answer on basis of point ভিত্তিতে লেখো, তাহলে নাম্বার পাওয়াটা সোজা হবে। And first one is evaluate the role of a manager. Obviously a manager can go practice the good management process for the which brings the good result to the organization. By management process it will be easier to achieve the goal of the organization. A manager can handle the employees of the organization so that employee can do the work successfully, or employee can feel free, comfortable, or encouraged to do the work or to achieve the goal of the organization. A manager just make sure that all the necessary materials or all the elements of the organizations are in proper place and are also utilized improperly. So all the elements, all the materials, human and non-human materials, the utilization of this type of materials, human and non-human materials, it will be possible. The proper utilization will be possible by good practicing of management function, and it will obviously ensure the manager. So manager will ensure it. So that we can say that manager play a vital role. And then you can say that manager makes plan to achieve the goal of the organization, and plans helps to control the organization easily. Then management find out the according to the management find out errors of the organization at the end of the year, find out errors, or all the activities are done according to the plan or not. And if there is any mistakes, manager helps to solve those problems or solve those mistakes. So that's why we can say that the role of a manager is very much important for success of the business. Number 5, Mr. Korim owns a small business. He accumulates capital by borrowing some loans from relatives and of his own. The reputation has been on the rise in a few days because of the good quality of the products produced by his company. The business needs expansion, but Korim cannot expand it because of the lack of funds required. He is thinking about taking loans from Janata Bank on the advice of a friend. What is laissez-faire leadership? Laissez-faire leadership, you will find it in book Laissez-faire Leadership, where the leader gives all the responsibilities to the workers, and they feel free, and they do not want to work any work of the organization. That is called laissez-faire leadership. Then what does the source of short-term finance mean? Short-term finance, source of short-term finance means the sources where we can get the short-term loan. It is called the short-term finance. Source of short-term finance. And so short-term finance is necessary for you can say for just carrying the daily expense of the organization. So that is the short-term finance source. That means the source of short-term finance mean from where we can get short-term loan is called the source of short-term finance. What it is called the method of collecting capital by Mr. Korim? Collecting capital by Mr. Korim, it is called the business finance. Then you will write down the definition of business finance and relate it to the STEM and just conclude it. Then number D, evaluate the rationality of the decision of taking loan from Janata Bank by Korim. Evaluate the rationality of the decision of taking loan from Janata Bank by Korim. Obviously, it is it is very much logical to take loan from Janata Bank, because when an entrepreneur want to expand the business or run the business successfully, he has to collect capital. He has to borrow capital from the bank or other financial institutions or other sources. There are different sources we know that. From where we can get the money, because to start a business, to run it successfully and to survive in the market, and the money is necessary, and from different sources we can a leader or a entrepreneur can get this money or capital. So obviously financial commercial banks and financial institutions are very much important source of business finance. And also we know that the commercial banks are the main source of business finance, where from where a manager entrepreneurs or businessmen can get loan very easily, short term, long term or mid term loan for their businesses. So that's why we can say that it is very much logical, or it is very much rational of the decision taking loan from the Janata Bank by Korim. So just explain it like that. Okay, these are some CQ questions which I just discussed. Now here some MCQ questions. It is very much important for knowledge based question and also for MCQ question. What is the main source of business finance? Commercial banks. What is the first function of management? It is planning. What is management? Management is getting things to done by others. How many functions of management are there? There are 7 main functions in management. Who is father of the modern management? Henry Fayol is father of the modern management. What is directing? Directing means commanding the workers. Which function of management is involved in correcting mistakes? It is controlling. In which leader does create pressure on the staffs of the organization? It is autocratic leadership. How many types of leadership are there? There are 4 types of leadership. What is the full form of BDBL, Bangladesh Development Bank Limited? What it is called to collect capital for the business? collecting capital, it is called business finance. Which leadership delays decision making process? It is the laissez-faire leadership. Which function of management is compared with leadership? That is the directing. Directing is the directing is compared with the leadership. What is the major element of any organization? Workforce. Workforce is the major element of any organization. Which function of management does make the implementation of planning easier? That means it is controlling. Controlling makes the implementation of planning easier. How many branches of Akitara Furnitures are there at present? There are 5 branches. In which leadership leader consults with the subordinates? It is democratic leadership. What do you call the one who leads? That means answer is leader. That means the person who leads is called leader. What is the major source of fund for the small business and industries? That is Basic Bank, Bank of Small Industries and Commerce. What is the major source of fund for the small business and industries? Basic Bank. What is the full form of Basic Bank? Bank of Small Industries and Commerce. Just spell the just spell it correctly. So when you write down the full form of any organization name or any name, then you have to spell it out correctly. What is the full form of Basic Bank? Basic Bank is Bank of Small Industries and Commerce. So that's all. That's all important questions from the chapter 8. I hope you will follow the today's class, and it will help you to understand the chapter, because it is very much important for your exam also. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye bye.